Today, I'm going to show you how to format a USB on both Mac and Windows in less than 2 minutes. So easy, even a caveman can do it. Okay, so that was terrible. Anyways, this method will work to format any hard drive you can connect to your computer. So let's get started by first plugging in your device. On a Mac, you'll click on Finder and then type Disk Utility. Trust me, we are almost done already. Now go ahead and double-click Disk Utility. Now select your device on the left side and select Erase at the top. Click the arrow to the right of Format and select MS-DOS FAT, and then click Erase. Click Done, and we're on to Windows. Windows users will need to click on the File Explorer icon on the taskbar. If you do not see your drive, click on this PC in the left column. Then make sure you select the correct device and then right-click. Click on Format. Under File System, select FAT32. If the option is not available, check out my link below on how to fix it. Now just click Start and then click OK. And that pretty much seals the deal, my friends. Click OK and then close out of the application, and that is how easy it really is. Please consider liking and subscribing. Thanks for watching.